Hi everybody, my name is Allie and today I am unboxing the Nest Wi-Fi Pro by Google. I'm excited to share some of my favorite features about this, such as whole home coverage, a 6 GHz band, and all of your network controls inside of one familiar app. So let's dive in. This happens to be the Wi-Fi 6E version. Open this up here and see that we've got a nice white pod or node as they're referred to. We've got our power cable and a handy dandy Ethernet cable for you to plug directly into your modem. Really simple setup here, just Ethernet, node, and the power cable. You can get these in a 1, 2, or a 3 pack, and they also come in a variety of colors, so you can choose what fits best with your aesthetic. Let me go ahead and box this all back up, and we'll go ahead and talk about the router a little bit more. Now, at first glance, I just see a little marshmallow, which I kind of think is adorable. It's got a cute little form factor, in my opinion, that would sure blend nicely into anybody's living room, office, or wherever else you may need extra Wi-Fi coverage. Now, my first favorite feature is super relevant today just because everywhere in your house we have smart products that need to be connected to the internet. The way that these routers work is through what's called a mesh system. The mesh system teams up with other nodes, or you can do just the individual node like this, in order to send the strongest signal possible to all of your active devices. Well, the most exciting thing about the 6E specifically is that they introduce an all-new 6 GHz band. It keeps things from getting congested and makes sure that your products that are connected to the internet are getting the connection that they need to give you the best and most consistent signal possible. One more really nice feature about this is that it does contain 2 Ethernet ports, so while one of those is going to be hardwired to your modem, the other one will allow you to hardwire directly into another device of your choice. Another really awesome feature is they keep things nice and simple by having all of your setup, network settings, and parental controls in one simple place, and that is your Google Home app, which a lot of us utilize already if you have other Google Smart Home products at home. Well friends, that's all I have for us today. Once again, my name is Allie, and thank you for watching Best Buy's Unboxed. If you'd like to learn more about this product, go ahead and click the link below, and until next time, take care.